Hello dear, today we are going to discuss about the mirror formula and numerical based on these formulas. Here mirror formula is given 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, where its means are given as v is image distance, u object distance, f focal length. We can also find its magnification by formula m equal to height of image to the height of object, or is it also equal to negative of image distance to object distance, or it is also defined at the relative extent to which an image is magnified with respect to object. For the plane mirror, its value always equal to +1, because in case of plane mirror, image height always equal to object height and image distance always equal to object distance. There is also relation between focal length and radius of curvature. Focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. In numerical based on this formula is given as here. Here radius of curvature is given at 20 cm for the concave mirror. So we can take it negative, because for concave mirror radius of curvature is on the left side, because concave mirror is curved inward. And from this formula we can find out easily focal length. Also some numerical based on the concave and convex mirror. There is a numerical which is given as find nature, size and position of image formed when object size 1 cm placed at a distance of 15 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Here you can see in the picture image distance we have to find. Object distance is given 15 cm. Always object is placed on the left, so it is taken negative. For concave mirror, focal length is also negative, minus 10 cm. Height of object is given 1 cm. We have to find image height h dash. From the formula, mirror formula, we can easily find out v, which come minus 30 cm. And from other formula h dash upon h equal to minus v upon u, we can easily find image distance, which came here minus 2 cm. So from this we can easily see that image formed is real and inverted. Minus negative means image is on the below principal axis, that is inverted image, and real is because we come negative. Image distance is negative, that means image also on left side. Next question, that is based on also concave mirror. An object of 2 cm high. 2 cm height means object height is given. You can say h is given, object size. Placed at a distance of 16 cm from a concave mirror means object distance u is 16 cm minus, that means mirror is concave, or you can object is always negative because object is always placed on the left. Produce a real image 3 cm real image, that means image height is given real, that means negative 3 cm. What is focal length? And find the position of image, that is we have to find f and v. From the given formula m equal to h dash upon h equal to minus v by u, we can easily calculate v, that is came 24 cm. And from the mirror formula we can easily find out f, as you can see here, that come minus 9.6 cm. You can also calculate it. Next question is given here, a concave mirror produced 3 times magnified, or you can see enlarged real image concave mirror of an object placed 10 cm in front of it, that means u is given. Where is image located? We have to find v. M is given minus 3 as a image is real. From the formula m equal to minus v by u, we can easily find out image distance, that is 30 cm. Next question is based on the convex mirror. An object 5 centimeter high, that means h is given, is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter of convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature is given. We can easily find out focal length by formula f equal to r by 2, that is 15 centimeter. As mirror is convex, so it is positive. We have to find nature, position and size of image. Size of image means at dash u is equal to minus 10 centimeter, as it is given, is placed at distance 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. From the given formula we can easily find v, which comes 6 centimeter. It is positive, it means image is found behind mirror, as it is a case of convex mirror. In convex mirror, image is always behind mirror, virtual and erect. And from other formula we can easily find out h dash, that is by formula h dash upon h equal to minus v by u, that also that come 3 centimeter. It means image is small, and in case of convex it is also